They said they wanted pizza. I said, let's go to this place. They describe themselves as an electrifying pizza place in Long Beach, California. This is mentioned in their selection of flavors and pies on the website. They've mastered pies since 1985, but we're confused as to why Valentino's PCH doesn't mention Detroit-style pizza when talking about their concept. I've never had a Detroit-style pizza, and I respect the owner's expertise, so I asked about it.
Detroit style is the hottest topic right now in all the pizza world. Everybody can try and mimic me, but they can't replicate me. You look at this, you tell me if I'm not the best in the west of Mississippi. I think I am. I don't know about east of the Mississippi. I got locked down in the west.
Let's take a look at that menu. Check out valentinospizzaca.com online to see their awesome menu. We were invited to watch them prepare orders today, and they were making some delicious garlic bread sticks and 2 tempting pizzas. The pizzas are loaded with tons of toppings and a crispy crust. No surprise there, since we've been there before. If you can't make it in, they do delivery. But the real star of the show was the Detroit-style pizza. It all starts with their secret recipe dough that ferments in a special seasoned blue steel pan. They were kind enough to share this secret with us. Spreading the mozzarella cheese right to the edge of the pan is a crucial step, and you'll see why in just a bit. Detroit-style pizza has a mix of elements that create a pizza that not only looks good, but also offers a mix of textures and flavors, from the crispy edges to the soft, chewy center and the rich, savory toppings, complemented by the sweet and tangy sauce. Now let's hear it straight from Valentino's PCH.
Yeah, so and also what kind of separates Detroit style, you'll see it develops crust on the outside, this cheese crust on the outside. So it looks like it's gonna go in just super dense. If you bite into it, it's very airy. It's soft where it needs to be and crispy where it needs to be too.
On a side note, there was a mysterious gold chain that AJ was wearing. Maybe it's casting spells over the pizza, but let's stay on track.
I mean, even though I am from Detroit, I think it's one of the best styles out there. And it's customary, you eat it with ranch. Now, the staple is the racing stripes. You know, Detroit, Motor City.
With meticulous precision, he crafts the pizza, adding a sprinkle of extra cheese and carefully laying down the racing stripes. The anticipation of tasting this pizza, knowing the joy it will bring, is almost unbearable. We can't wait to savor that delight. The crispy edge, a result of the mozzarella being spread all the way to the edge, is a delightful surprise. The cheese is caramelized, transforming into a delectable treat. The bottom of the pizza is perfectly cooked, a testament to the chef's skill. The cheese, the sauce, it's time to taste it. I'm gonna try this out now. Let's check this out. Before this visit, we liked Valentino's PCH. Now that we tried this Detroit-style pizza, OG Mojo Adventures will be back for more. I'm serious. Get here. This place is awesome. AJ, you guys are amazing. Ranch. I felt they can't get better than this. AJ was like, in Detroit, they dip it in ranch dressing, so let's give that a shot. This was more than just pizza. It's a hearty, comforting pie that Detroit's culinary scene has become known for. Here in California, and specifically in Long Beach, Valentino's PCH brings this to you.
Detroit style is the hottest topic right now in all the pizza world. You know, everybody can try and mimic me, but they can't replicate